I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your billing information on Neteller, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Open your web browser and go to the Neteller website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option in the menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the section labeled billing information. Click on it to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Here, you can edit your billing address, payment methods, or any other relevant details. Make sure to double check for accuracy before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the hr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Updating your billing information can be a breeze if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Neteller's customer support for assistance.